Virgil, Fritz Gardens, boys and girls. The reason I made this channel, because I made all that, I'm making this happen. Turning this into the awesomest hobbit garden ever. I don't know if no one ever seen it before. What's going on here? Okay, what's going on? Slowly making stuff. I took all this off the ground and started putting stuff together and found, around and put it together, and now I'm making a hobby garden. And I'm gonna make it a very place, like a garden, huge garden. Walk the maze out there. It's going expanded. But I'm gonna make it a place where you can come and just be yourself. I wanna be able to help people. Nobody wants to listen anymore. Everybody's out just doing them. No one cares. There's millions of people out there who just has no one to talk to. I want to be able to design a place. People that come, just be yourself, relax, sit down, talk about their problems, help them out much as they can. Come, in next year, come. Hey, Vern here, Vern Show. Rich Gardens, baby. Boys and girls. I just wanted to say, it took me 20 years to get here. 20 years to get where I'm at right here. Oh, I'm making this all come true. Fritz Gardens. Fritz up! No. Look at this. It's beautiful. You got nobody to talk to in life? There's nobody to turn to? Come talk to me. I'll help you out in any way I possibly can. I've helped many people in my life. I can help you. Help you do anything you want, man. Help you get through any problem, anything, whatever. I'll talk, help you out. I'll never steer in your wrong direction. I'm a realist, so I'm going to tell you how the fuck it is real quick. Depression, anxiety, it's crazy. You guys need somebody. I'm here. I'm here for you guys. Someone's watching. Someone's here. Someone listening. I'm here.